What is up, my people? I'm Atom Trades here. I want to share a little educational content with you about trading, and I know it's going to help a lot of beginner traders. Okay, here's my screen. This was a trade we took, was it last week? Let me check the order. We took this trade last week on 31st. That was 31st night. We hit TP. Look at that. Beautiful, right? So now, we didn't take any trade again. I didn't look into GBP, JPY again. Apart from yesterday or last week Friday. Actually, the mistake I made last week Friday was because I was like, I know for sure my analysis was all correct and good. I knew for sure that price was going to drop. Which price literally dropped? Look at my take profit here. My take profit was 210,787. Now let's go to the chart. Yes, you see when price stopped me out when the market was about to close, and on opening, look at this. Have you seen this? So that was automatically a take profit for us, but we missed because of this mistake of stepping in when stepping when the market was about to close. So that was the first loss, which cost us JPY. It cost us $30, right? 0.18. So now the two losses I'm about to talk about is something that every beginner traders usually make as a mistake. You get? So look at this. Since price has broken this trend line, I knew for sure that price will come here. Price came here exactly, but you see this. Sorry, this wasn't showing. I should lock this. Okay, good. It's not locked. Hold on. Okay, it's locked now. So we can see that this is like a demand zone. After this quick rejection, this place became a demand zone. 1, 2, 3. And now seeing these candlesticks 1, 2, I knew for sure that price is going to fake out of this demand zone, trapping some sellers, and then we went this up. What did I do? Early entry, impatience. This is what early entry cost me today, about $185. Converted to Naira, about 270,000. Now, let me share the trade for you. Now, this is GBP JPY. The very first one I took, my stop loss for each of these trades, stop loss were $16, which was absolutely correct. But when I saw that price kept on attacking the stop loss, I increased to $23. This is it. As you can see, the stop loss here is 23, 23, 23. Abi? 23, 21, 20, 20. It's not even that much. So this is what happened. I think you would feel it better from here. Okay, now we're on the 15 minutes time frame. This was my first entry. What was the price? What price did I take the entry? 210,830. Now let's go to the chart and spot 210,830. This was my very first entry, which was very wrong. Very, very wrong. 210,830. Yes, this was initially my first entry, and I kept my stop loss below this. Meanwhile, I knew that price would trade below this level before pushing up. So after my stop loss got hit, I came back to the chart. I was like, okay, this is a quick rejection. I think the liquidation has occurred. Let me step in with my buys again. My buyers was absolutely right, but I messed up because I lacked patience. The The thing is lack of patience. That's just it. So if you're a beginner trader, please make sure that you wait for the market to come to you, and then you do whatever you want to do. Don't feel like it's because of the little capital you have you can push the market with your money. No. You don't trade the market that way. You go alongside with the market. That's how to make money from the market. You flow with the trend. So now I took that trade. Okay, let me show it here. I took that trade again and SL hits. This was the final liquidation. After that final liquidation, okay, this is 1 hour time frame. Let me use the 1 hour time frame here. After the final liquidation here, can you see that a very strong push? Okay, the 1 hour candle printed here shows that a strong bull, the bulls are present in the market and they were active around this level. This is exactly where I got stopped out, and boom, imagine. Okay, assuming I had the patience of waiting, I had to wait. Let me do something here. Okay, I had to wait, let the market liquidate. Okay, SMC traders call it liquidation. Price action traders call it is it fake out? Yes, that's how they call it. So instead of me to wait for price to fake out, I jumped on the trade thinking that not thinking that actually I knew what I did, but I messed up. Even when I was in the trade, my mind was like, guy, close this trade, you are wrong. No. See, accept your losses. So accept losses. If not, you lose everything. You lose everything. Now look at this. Where was our take profit? Our take profit was around this level, and this was our stop loss. Imagine we waited for price to print this, and for sure there's no how I'll see this and I'll know the bulls are here. This is just a fair value gap. On SMC call it fair value gap, and price action call it retest. This is just a retest. So I will enter my trade here. I'll enter my trade here. Keep my stop loss here, very good, and my take profit level will be here. That's a beautiful TP hit, but I messed it up for myself. That's a very good trade, 1:2. So what am I trying to say in essence? Please, I made a mistake here, which was impatience. One, not accepting my losses. I can recall very well around this level when I was like, okay, price has taken $60 and it's still going down. Instead of me to accept the losses, I was like, no. I know for sure price is going to Oga. I should have closed that trade, and I'll advise you, if you feel you are wrong, not even you feel, you would always know you are wrong. If you know you are wrong, close that order. Well, I've probably funded my account again, and we're going to look for good entries. Make sure you are active in my Telegram trading community. I'm going to leave the link below in the description of this video. Thank you guys. Peace and love.